I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change your brake lights or signal lights here on your Toyota Tundra. The only thing you have to do is lay this down, is get you a T30, the T30 torque right there. See, I got two in here, I already got one in my tool. Get you a screwdriver, and if you haven't taken this out in a while, make sure you spray some WD-40 or something on it to loosen it up. I already loosened this up, so it's easy to take out. So we're gonna go ahead and take this screw right here. It's a torque. You take this one, put it off to the side, and just pull this off. And there's some little tabs right here. You see right here, these tabs, they just slide right in here. So it's two of them, one right here and one right here. And what you want to do is turn it counterclockwise. Turn it counterclockwise, pull that out. Counterclockwise, pull that out. Counterclockwise, and that's it. You can pull this to the side. The only thing you have to do is take these lights and pull them straight out and replace them. Push them back in. Pull these lights straight out and replace them. Put them back in. Pull straight out and replace them. You take this, it'll only fit in one way. And it's sloped a little bit. Turn it clockwise, clicks right in. Take this one, put it in here, fits in one direction. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Come, take this one, turn it clockwise, and that's it. Slide this back on. Pops into place. Take your screws, put them back in. And that's it.